Okay, everybody, so I am letting you know how to complete this assignment called Spanish 1 Unit 1 Work Sample when you guys have these kinds of assignments. Some assignments are going to have Google Docs or Google Slides, and you want to make sure you know how to do those. So it's under Spanish 1 Unit 1 Week 1, and so I'm going to click on this, and it will tell me that we need to log in with a Google account. I'll make a copy in the account in my Google Drive, and you can submit your work from within Canvas this way. And since it's a sample, you can easily send your facilitator a screenshot, or you can send it to them from Google Drive. You can share this, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So first off, we have the question here: reflect on your learning for this unit. What new things do you know? But then it says log in. You need to authorize this integration in order to use it. Please sign into your Google account. So click on authorize, and then it will take you to Google, and it will have you log in from there. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Once you put your password in, it will ask you for permission, because it has to be able to access your files in Google Drive. Go ahead and click Allow. And once you do that, you're going to come up with a document that you'll be able to click on and edit. So here it is. When you're done, you can click Submit here. And I'm going to change the name here to my name, and this has keep that the same, and then I can change this a little bit. I learned that you type and then you submit there. Okay, and what that does is create a snapshot, and then your teacher will be able to see this. Now you can submit as many times as you like. If your teacher needs you to resubmit, you can simply go back on there and submit that. And that is how you do that. Now I'll show you what happens in Google Drive. If I want to just share this with my facilitator, instead of taking a screenshot, I can just click on that, and it will open this in Google Drive for me. And I have my copy of Spanish 1 Unit 1 Work Sample, and I could maybe put your name instead, and you see my name here. Of course, I can continue editing this as much as I want. Now, if you look up here, you'll see a share link. This means that it's private only to you right now. If you click on that, it will give you some options. Get shareable link. This is what I want. If I want to share it with a facilitator, I can do this. I have link sharing. Anyone with a link can view. That's what I want. I don't want editing. I just want to view. You can copy the link here, of course, or just copy from there. And then you click done, and there you have a link that you can send to your facilitator by email or whatever you want to do. Another thing you can do is add it to your, you can move it to a different folder. Let's say you have a shared folder on Google Drive that is shared, that is accessible to your facilitator. Remember that Excelsior.com email addresses do not have Google enabled. We do not use Google at Excelsior. However, you can create a folder that's accessible to anybody with a link to that folder. Whatever you decide to do with your facilitator. However, with this kind of work that you're doing online in Spanish, feel free to use all the technology that's available to you instead of having to write out a summary with a paper and pencil or pen. You can do things this way and get things to your facilitator. Of course, anything would count as a sample, You don't have to use this specific thing. But if you do it, you get your points. So it's a good thing to do. I hope that helps with everything. And all you have to do is write a reflection and you get your points. If you have any other questions, please be sure to email your teacher and they can help you out as well. Thank you. Gracias.